please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open a 54 pack, hanger pack from the 88 Major League Baseball score to see what kind of beer trace we'll find. In the background, Jack Howell, Jackson. He played with the Giants later on in his career. There. Jay Howard. Rookie Judy Reed. Chris Quinn. Everybody thought he would be the greatest player. Jeffrey didn't really work out for him. Everybody was going crazy for his cards. Those Brooks, David, Hall of Famer, guy player, Don, season pitcher, Tom back. He played the Giants, he was the most elite pitcher. Cy Young, more I think. Good card. Chris James, Dixon. I like it. First, we got Hall of Famer right there. Primarily should be a Hall of Fame. Cat. The next one, I'll be two of these. Whoa. There goes my teeth. Oh, the guy's plenty player during this time. John Kirk, Monball, who's up in the column. David Cohn, Billy Ricken, never could be like his brother. That should be card. He's got a decent leaf pitcher. Don. First Bell. First Mickey Sash. They went with the Giants. Don Manley, highlight, and Hall of Famer, I think. One of those guys are Hall of Famers. Can't remember which one it is. Let's get their names mixed up. Steve Sachs, Chris, Kevin Froese, Jose Uribe. He's like a birthday right this time. Well, Bo Jackson, guy both knows everything. Taking your card, trivia card. He's a good player. Here, man. John Morris, Kirk Gibson. Oh, Hall of Famer rookie card. Last pack. Deion James, Hall of Famer. One McGee, Bob Walk, Cougar. Give it a card. There's a lot of repeat cards in this thing. This one dropped. Dave Clark, Ron Grant. He was an interesting player. And last one, Hall of Famer, highlight. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.